And this is number one question why we are here. If you have any non-Muslim friend, right, you're going to ask him why we are here. What are you going to tell you? To have fun. Or to be tested, which I don't like this word unless you really know what test is. We're not. Allah says, I put you in here. It's beautiful. I'm not going to deny it. It's beautiful. It's going to lure you. I'm just going to look and see who's going to do the best. Literally, you have, let's say you have your children or you have your friends and you have $100. And he said, everybody, I'm going to give you $10, $10, $10. And I pulled back and I said, I'm just going to watch. What are you going to do with this $10? What do you see? Some people wasted. Some people don't do anything with it. And some people invested. Which one we are doing here on this life? Are we investing? If you were investing, then you will do the 10 seconds looking at a verse in the Quran. It's very easy to say things. And I'm so scared when I say things like, Ya Allah, I said it, you're going to test me right away. If you're really in this earth, I look at it as my investment for akhirah, then everything I do, that doesn't mean I'm not going to do anything. I'm not going to have fun. I'm not going to study. No. He didn't say that. He said, فضل العالم على العابد الرسول عليه الصلاة والسلام كفضل القمر على الكواكب أو كفضل على أحسنكم. The virtue of somebody who is knowledgeable, meaning you study, you learn, you look around, over the person who worship Allah, is the same level of here Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam, his virtue over the Sahaba. So we are here in this dunya, yes, have fun, of course. Rasul alayhi salatu wasalam had fun. He used to race with Aisha, Sayyidah Aisha. But we're not here only to have fun. I am here, he gave me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Everybody was given something different. What did you do with it? So this earth, we are here to show Allah who's better. And I can't claim it. This is the other thing. I can't claim it. I can tell you stories about how good I am. Sure. Let's see what Allah wrote in my book.